Now, the point of keeping out the rain or creating some shade for your outdoor space is to make it feel a little more comfortable but still be outside, right? A roof will certainly do that, but unfortunately it won't keep out the bugs. That's why these homeowners are having us install screens around this area once all the painting is complete and it's nice and dry. Enclosing a deck or patio with screen is a great way to maximize the use of an outdoor area because many of the climates where outdoor living is very popular, well, it's also real popular with the insects, at least during part of the year. But as popular as open floor plans have become inside the home, just a matter of time before that concept caught on for outdoor living spaces as well. So how do you get both? Protection from the insects when they're active and a wide open space the rest of the time? Well, the answer may be a retractable screen. At its most basic, a retractable screen is a screen door that rolls into the door jamb instead of swinging open. But what if you want the same effect for a larger opening, like the space between columns on a deck or patio? Then you need a larger retractable screen, and the models suited for this application roll and unroll vertically with a roller and an electric motor mounted in a ceiling cavity overhead. The tracks that guide the screen will be recessed into the surfaces on either side of the opening. It's not an inexpensive option, but if you have the budget, it can be a great way to open up an outdoor living area.